I did not think that I would be starting over from scratch again at 47 years old.
Oh no! Well,
Hey guys, I honestly didn't know if I was ever going to make another YouTube video again. Over the last several months, my life has completely unraveled. Had anxiety, panic attacks, moved across the country in less than a week, weight regain. For a long time, I haven't known how to sum everything up. But this video isn't just about why I've disappeared. It's about why I'm ready to come back. So let's start at the beginning. Back in February, after the land mediation, Richard and I had started talking more seriously about moving back to California to be closer to my family. Even though the mediation was over, the conflict definitely wasn't. And I didn't realize how much stress I was carrying until I had my first panic attack at work. Once that happened, everything started snowballing. My psychiatrist began the process of putting me on medical leave so that we could focus on getting my anxiety under control through medication and therapy. And during that time, creating videos just wasn't even on my radar. For the first time in over 4 years, I wasn't even capable of pouring into other people because I didn't even have enough for myself. I thought that that was going to be the hardest part of the year, but I was wrong. 7 days after I went on medical leave, Richard lost his job. So overnight, our someday plans to move to California turned into we need to leave now. So we sold almost everything we owned, donated what we couldn't take, and packed up the rest in less than a week. And then came some of the hardest goodbyes I've ever had to say in my life. Not only to our Texas friends and family, but to my sweet, adorable Helios. We had to make the decision to leave him with Aunt Nikki and Uncle Tanner while we got settled into California. It's not a forever thing, but my brother-in-law is severely allergic to dogs that shed. So while we are temporarily living with them, he could not be with us. It was what made the most sense because he loves Nikki and Tanner and their dog Bailey and Abby, but it absolutely broke my heart. I still fight tears every single day when I encounter something that reminds me of him. After we got him settled, we loaded up the cars and drove cross country with no jobs, no idea what was coming next, and a lot of fear. I did not think that I would be starting over from scratch again at 47 years old. Throughout all of this, I couldn't bring myself to step on the scale because if I didn't know the number, then I didn't have to face what I already suspected. And honestly, I felt ashamed. I know I talk a lot about giving yourself grace on this channel and that a weight loss journey is not a straight downward decline to your goal weight. But when you're behind the camera, it's a lot harder to extend that same grace to yourself. As someone whose entire channel has been built around weight loss, admitting that I've regained a significant amount of weight is incredibly uncomfortable, but also understandable. During the last several months, I was barely functioning. Meal planning, calorie counting, hitting protein goals, and none of that was my priority. My priority was surviving, and that's about the time that therapy entered the chat. My therapist has helped me to realize my anxiety didn't just appear overnight. It's something I've been dealing with for most of my life. I just got really good at white-knuckling my way through it. We've been unpacking some really heavy, deep core beliefs about my worth, chronic guilt, perfectionism, and feeling like I always have to please everyone. It's hard work, but I finally feel like I'm actually working my way towards healing instead of just coping. If these last few months have taught me anything, it's this. Healing is absolutely not linear. Anxiety changes everything. and routines disappear way easier than they are established. Sometimes survival has to come before progress. And most importantly, my worth has never been determined by the number on the scale. Which brings me to today. I'm finally getting to the place where I feel like I'm ready to create again, but I don't want to disappear like this again on you guys. So I'm giving myself permission to do YouTube differently. Instead of trying to spend hours and hours making everything perfect, I'm going to focus on consistency. You'll continue to see recipes, weight loss updates, mental health conversations, rebuilding routines, and definitely some lifestyle content as we settle into our life here in California. Basically, I want the channel to grow with me. You may also start to see my face in some advertisements for different brands, and that's because I'm also pursuing UGC while I look for work here in California. It's giving me a creative outlet while still helping to pay the bills. And honestly, it's been really fun learning something new again. But no matter where else you may happen to see me, this will always be home. So if you've been waiting for me to come back and checking on me, thank you so much. If you're new here, welcome. Either way, I think we're kind of starting over together. And really, maybe that's not such a bad thing, because I'm hoping that this version of me isn't the same person that disappeared several months ago. I'm definitely still healing. I am rebuilding, to be sure. Most of all, I'm working on building a life that doesn't depend on pretending that everything is okay. So if you're rebuilding something in your own life right now, know that you're not alone. And I'm really, really glad that you're all here for whatever comes next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Oh no! Well, so much for being aesthetic.